in that we will start about intellectual revolution in Europe. That day we have seen about religious reform movement, then period of Renaissance and geographical discoveries. Today we will start about intellectual revolution in Europe. Due to the changes during the Renaissance period, Europe proceeded from medieval to modern age. Intellectual revolution took place in that period only in Europe. Now, what happened in intellectual revolution? That the society started stepping out of the past ignorance and blind faith, that whatever the orthodoxy was at that time, whatever the blind faith was that time, whatever the superstition was at that time, society had started to step out from all that past ignorance and blind faith. Then the pre-established customs and traditions came to be seen from a critical point of view, that whatever at that time the customs and traditions were there, they were seen from critical point of view. They used to criticize them because they were not helpful for the upbringing of our society, because all that was based on just orthodoxy. All these changes are addressed as intellectual revolution in Europe, which gave further momentum to scientific discoveries in Europe. Now, intellectual means reasoning and understanding. This intellectual means reasoning and understanding, that to find out a reason behind each and every point, to understand that what it is. So, in this intellectual revolution in Europe, our society started to step out from all the past ignorance and blind faith which was at that time. Then came revolution in political sphere. That in the early stage of the beginning of modern period in Europe, many political changes took place due to the various revolutionary events during 18th as well as 19th century. This period is also known as the age of revolution. During this period, what happened? There was development of parliamentary democracy in England. There was a change in the form of a cabinet system. Then the Bill of Rights of 1689 laid limitation to the power of the king. The sovereignty of parliament was established. Sovereignty means supreme power, supreme authority. So all this has happened in a revolution in a political sphere. Then came American War of Independence. With the background of revolutionary development in Europe, see in your book, page number 6. With the background of revolutionary development in Europe, it is equally important to think about the American War of Independence. With the discovery of America, the European countries turned their attention towards this continent. That as soon as this American continent was discovered, the European countries turned their attention towards this continent. The imperialist European countries took control of different regions of America and established their colonies over there. कि यूरोपियंस ने क्या किया? जैसे ही उनका ध्यान अमेरिका की ओर आकर्षित हुआ, उन्होंने वहां पर अपना व्यापार फैलाना शुरू किया. Initially, England had nominal domination over these colonies, but later, English Parliament laid oppressive restrictions and taxes on these American colonies. कि पहले जो इन कॉलोनीज पे कोई डोमिनेशन नहीं था, किसी प्रकार का कोई टैक्स नहीं था, किसी प्रकार का कोई कर नहीं था. But afterwards, this English parliamentary, they have started, people in America revolted against it. England declared war to suppress these colonies. American colonies organized the army under the leadership of George Washington and finally won against England. That now what American have done, they have formed the army. They have formed the army under the leadership of George Washington. दिस इवेंट इज नोन एज द अमेरिकन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस। की अब क्या हुआ था कि अमेरिका के जो लोग थे वो बहुत जो है परेशान हो गए थे, और फिर उन्होंने क्या किया, अपनी एक आर्मी बनाई जॉर्ज वॉशिंगटन के अंडर में, और फिर युद्ध हुआ और उस युद्ध का नाम रखा गया अमेरिकन वॉर ऑफ इंडिपेंडेंस। A new nation known as the United States of America with a federal government, written constitution and based on the principles of democracy was born. And as a result of American War of Independence, what happened? The United States of America was there with a federal government, with a written constitution, कि अब उनका संविधान लिखा गया, and all the principles of democracy were there in their new America. Then came French Revolution. In 1789 AD, the people of France revolted against the uncontrolled and unjust monarchy and feudalism and established a republic. This event is known as French Revolution. The French Revolution gave to the world the three values of liberty, equality and fraternity. Fraternity means with a group having a same interest, or the group having a common interest. In world history, among the political revolutions, the American War of Independence and French Revolution have a very important place. That why these revolutions have a very important place? Because American War of Independence, it has given a society, a federal government, a written constitution. Then French Revolution, it has given a freedom of, it has given three values, that is liberty, equality and fraternity. That's why American War of Independence and French Revolution, these both are having a great value, a great important place in the world history. So this is all for today's lecture, student. Tomorrow we will continue with the Industrial Revolution.